With the recent Fed announcements, where do we go from here? How can you embrace uncertainty in the current market? Welcome to Investing Explained, where we make your money work harder for you. With factors such as geopolitical tensions and the rising rates environment, how can you use the Moomoo app tools to navigate and best prepare against the storm? On the flip side, what about investing in possible opportunities instead while managing these risks? We'll show you. Hear directly from our trading representative. Take it away, Juncheong.
Let's jump straight to it, Olivia. Open your Moomoo app, go to Funds, go to Cash Plus. Here are the options available for you to explore. To activate the Smart Save function, just scroll down, click Manage Smart Save to automate your funds strategy. You may also want to use this tool to maximize the earning potential of your idle money while you figure out your potential next move when the overall sentiment in the market remains uncertain.
With crisis, there's opportunity. So we covered managing risks. What about learning to maximize the possible opportunities?
Of course, Olivia, they are very important. Here's a tool you can use. On your Moomoo app, tap on Funds again. Here are all the available funds you can access, such as equity funds, bond funds, balance funds, and alternative funds. Let's say you like to check on equity funds. Simply tap on it. Select the fund that you like to track, and you get the full details of the fund's performance, news, analysis, and summary. You can also access the updated funds document like its fact sheet right here for more. This is useful for investors who like to understand and fundamentally analyze its historical returns before making a decision. You can also compare its rankings by going back to the main funds page. Click on Rankings. You can track and compare the available funds on our app right here by doing a comparative analysis. You can do it by performance, by RSP, or by popularity. Take it a step further and adjust the time frame accordingly. Or use the filter tool on the right hand side here. There you go. These comparative tools are made available so you can customize and comprehensively analyze on a macro level how a particular fund stands among others before you make a more informed investment decision. Definitely give it a go and try it for yourself.
So Juncheong, why are funds important?
Great question, Olivia. As an active investor, it's important to constantly re-strategize accordingly to suit one's investment goal, risk tolerance, and appetite. These tools, offered such as the Fund tab, will give you the platform to help you balance between risk and reward in uncertain market conditions. By providing you with various options, we want to guide you towards making a more wholesome and informed decision for yourself while you figure out your next investment move. Back to you, Olivia.
Take action of your own portfolio even in the eye of uncertainty. Make sure to utilize these tools to actively manage your investments while putting your idle cash to work for you. We care for your financial well-being, so follow us. For more videos like these, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get to work. Have a profitable day.